Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Stanwell Park on the south coastline in request for Sydney and regional train vlogs. Excuse the wind guys, because I have a lovely cool sea breeze coming in from the Tasman Sea. And once again viewers, same drill as Stanwell Park or Oddford, other way. Stanwell Park also the latest casualties of the infamous Sydney Trains Orange Club. And there's your 4-car marker just up here. Just gonna take a look stroll down. Make a video a bit longer for you guys. We have your 8-car marker just up here and down there as well. Take a little stroll just up the Stanwell Park Viaduct end of a platform. There's your 8-car VSET marker just up about here. I might give you guys a quick pan of Stanwell Park. Extremely curved as Oddford. That's facing towards Oddford and Helensburgh, and back up this way. That curves towards Coal Cliff. Anyway, viewers, sit back and enjoy. We have a waterfall service arriving on platform number 1. H46 is set. H46 will be stopping next at Oddford, then following by Helensburgh and Waterfall. H46 is now departing platform number 1, Waterfall service. H46 should be stopping next at Oddford, then following by Helensburgh and Waterfall. And there goes H46 off to the Bold Hill Tunnel. Anyway viewers, despite the invasion of the orange Sydney Trains or New South Wales Trainlink station signs, Stanwell Park still retains the 2000 Citywell era blue lightbox signage. Anyway viewers, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful artwork here at Stanwell Park. Might take a look at the other side, guys. Nice bit of artwork by the kids of a local community. We should have a Sydney Terminal service about to pass platform number 1. Its next scheduled stop is Helensburgh, then followed by Sutherland, Hurstville, Walleye Creek, then Central. Get about 15 seconds to come around bend. Another 4-car Oscar H29 is set. We should have a Wollongong Express service about to pass platform number 2. After passing through Stanwell Park, its next scheduled stop will be Farul, then following by North Wollongong, before terminating at Wollongong. And then this Oscar will proceed empty to Port Kembla. Might tell you the set numbers as soon as it passes. Here we go, coming through the tunnel now. That is Oscar Sisters H6 and H5 past platform number 2 for a Wollongong Express service, stopping next at Farul, then followed by North Wollongong and Wollongong. We should have a Kiama service passing platform number 2. After passing through Stanwell Park, it will stop next at Farul, then following by North Wollongong, Wollongong, Coniston, Unadera, Dapto, Albion Park, Oak Flats, Shell Harbour Junction, Minamoa, Bombo, and Kiama. 4-car Oscar. H8 is set. Anyway, viewers, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen to be notified about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you at Coal Cliff. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.